I'm going to demo one more feature of Veertly, which is the backdoor access demo. Imagine you are creating your event in 2 weeks. You have defined here the date of your event, which is in the future, and you just create the event and you are good to go. Now you want to enter into the event and start configuring it, but you cannot enter into the event because it's in the future. So what we developed is a new feature that you can access through the cockpit. So you can see here your event in the future. You can enter, and now you have a new link here on the top, which is backdoor access. So this link allows you to access this event before it's officially opened. So by clicking it, you have a unique link with a certain code that it's unique for your event that allows you to start configuring the event as if you were live, but only those people that have access to the event can access to it, that have access to this link can access to it. So you can share this link with your co-hosts, and once they come online, you can come here to their profile and set them as host. So when setting them as host, they can start also creating rooms, defining polls, preparing the broadcast message, and all the needed activities that you need to do before your event really starts. So just pay attention to whom you share this event, to this link, because they can access anytime. And hope you enjoy it and you can better prepare your events for the future.